Hey Wayne, I want to talk to you on how you turn first-time clients into maintenance clients.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes, sir.
So how I do it is I do an amazing job and I pay attention to their reaction, and based off of how the conversation goes, like, oh my gosh, the car looks amazing. Can you leave me a review? Oh yeah, I'll do it right now. They're really excited. And then at the end of everything, the excitement, I'm like, hey, by the way, I have a maintenance package. If you would like to sign up, $85 to $100 a month, every 2 weeks, 3 weeks or whatever. And I just let it sit in. You know what? I'm gonna do that. So I just play it upon how the conversation goes, how they react. So if that doesn't work right away after their excitement, they're like, oh, I'll let you know. So what I'll do is, they most likely they book again, you know, a month later. I have some people that book me once every month. And I'm just like, hey, you don't mind paying this $300, $400 once every time I come out? I was like, you don't wanna book the maintenance? No, I'm okay. Come out again. I just stay consistent. I send them emails, messages, you know, check in with them. Eventually, some people don't sign up till a year later. Some people don't sign up till 5 months later. You just have to make sure you do an amazing job every time. Make sure you remind them that they're paying a high price and it can be way cheaper. And eventually over time, all my people that aren't maintenance, they eventually come over to the maintenance side, man. It's consistency.
Now, one thing I know, not every customer is gonna be a maintenance customer.
Right.
As in, maybe the quality of the car,
right.
Maybe they have a lot of kids,
right.
Or maybe their personality.
Okay.
What are some things that really disqualify a customer from being a maintenance customer to you?
I'm gonna be honest, I don't think anybody's disqualified. It's more of they need it weekly. They need it every 3 days. I haven't ran into that yet, but that's how I would go about it. So you're gonna need this more often. Sometimes we do upcharge just a little bit, like for the dog hair, or they need a extreme shampoo. Like, hey, I'm gonna have to charge a little bit extra. It's not gonna be extra 150 to 200, but just a little bit more for the time. But other than that, everybody could be a maintenance client. But what'd you say?
So you're right about that, about doing it more. I had a client that I do every 3 weeks, and she got 4 kids, and that Suburban is always trash. And I told her, if you're gonna have me coming out doing maintenance and get maintenance price, I'm gonna need to do this every 2 weeks, because at 3 weeks, I might as well charge you my full price, because it looks like I haven't touched it in 6 months.
Right.
So that I can vouch to that right there.
Yes, sir.
Did you tell her that, or you're gonna tell her that?
No, I did. So she does every 2 weeks now, just like her mother does.
What was her reaction though? She didn't get offended?
Nah, she understood. She understood. She, from the get-go, when she first called me out, she told me it was gonna be terrible. When I got there, it was terrible. It was terrible. So now she's every 2 weeks.
Hey, comments down below. Let me know how you would go about it. Would you just take the price, the 100, whatever you charge for your maintenance? Would you just not up the price, or how would you go about it?
So there's some new detailers being like, if you could get $200-300 out of a client, why even offer the maintenance? Does that make sense? Or not?
I get what you're saying. Like, why have them schedule when it's less money, when you can just have them keep booking?
Exactly.
Because it's just more of knowing and predicting what you're gonna make. Like, detailing is like a gamble if you don't have maintenance. You know what I mean?
So maintenance bring in that secured income.
Secure money, yeah.
You kind of have a good idea of what's the minimum you're gonna be making.
Exactly.
And then
of course, in hopes of bringing more business by dealing with them and taking care of them. So yeah. And there's always upsells and coatings and other stuff involved in it that you could still increase the money, but it's more of the security.
And what packages do you offer for maintenance? 1 week, 2 bi-weekly, monthly?
All the way up to a month. So I don't do anything past that. It's definitely not worth it then, for sure.
Hey Wayne, so when you pitch the management service to a potential customer, what's one thing or a few things they say that lets you know they're not interested right now? You think it's the money? You think it's the time? You think it's maybe they don't care about keeping the car clean?
Most of the people mention it to me. They ask me before I even get to it. Those are the ones that they mean business. Hey, do you have something to where you can do this all the time? Like, they'll say that, and I'll be like, yes. Those are the ones that just easy breezy. But then once you mention it to somebody and they sit and their heads, they go like this and look at the car. I got some people that ignore you. Then you got some people that's like, yeah, I'll let you know. You know what I mean? Those are the people you just gotta work on. They celebrate it over your work, but they just need a little bit more time. A lot of people, they want to do it, but they don't know the schedule. They don't know if they're going to be able to commit. So don't always take it offensive. They just need a little bit of time. And plus, you got to continue to show them your work, and if you're going to continue to do that kind of work. So patience.
Wayne, so, all right. Now, the audience would love to know, how many maintenance people do you have on a monthly basis, bi-weekly?
Hey, if I had something on my face and something was off, you would tell me, right?
Oh, in that case.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, I got you, I got you.
How many people? I got about 12 or 13. And that's really low for as many clients as I take care of. That was one of the things I actually struggled with a lot, was getting people to do reoccurring. Now, I got a lot of people that rebook over and over again. A lot of the same faces we see all the time, and they just don't commit. But what were you gonna say though?
Yeah, how many people you got? You said 12, 13.
Yeah, 12, 13.
Is that something you're trying to grow, or you think you're okay at that?
Like, we were talking to this guy here, he's a millionaire. We're taking care of his cars right here. He was saying that reevaluate your whole business. If you could get, how do I put it? I'm trying to remember exactly what he said.
He said, if you could make $1 repeatedly,
there it is.
that's better than trying to hit $1 million.
Exactly. So to elaborate on that, if I could figure out how to target and figure out something that works and they jump towards it, then I could just duplicate that same thing with all the clients I already have. So that's what I've been trying to do, but I've been so busy running around. I already have the clientele. I could say 1,000. I've done that many cars. I have that many contacts. So why am I out here still doing new people when I could just go back to the people I have and get them to sign up? If I can get 50, 60 people to sign up, I don't have to get new people. I can get a van. That's when you get that second van and you hire somebody to just take care of maintenance all day, every day, while that other person is out doing the new people. That's the goal. So that's what I need to be doing. I'm talking to myself as I'm talking to you guys. So I've been thinking y'all probably gonna take my idea. I actually bought gift cards. I bought cards, like thank you cards, because they're supporting the vision. So I even offer clients free details, the coupons and stuff, but I don't know why they're so busy to not take it. That tactic didn't work, so I need to go back to the drawing board and think of something else. But anyways, I appreciate you guys following me on this journey. If you got any advice on how to get more clientele, please drop it down below for us detailers. We appreciate you. You guys stay tuned for the next video. Hey, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Let's get it.